Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to add story in Telegram. Before starting the video, you have to watch this video till the end so that you know everything correctly and subscribe my channel. First of all, open Telegram and click on the right bottom camera icon. Now here your Telegram has to take permission for the camera. So here click on settings and give camera permission to Telegram. If you want to give, then you can give. If you don't want to give, then you can let it be. After that, here you have to click on upload. Here you have to select any video or image which you want to add to the story. After that, click on next at the right bottom. After that, click on share story here. So here you can see that the story has been added. In this way you can add story in Telegram. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.